Hello everyone. Welcome to another Money Magnet video. 10 reasons to invest in real estate. Many investors have been into real estate for decades because of its predictable cash flow, excellent returns, tax advantages, and diversification, and it's possible to leverage real estate to build wealth. Here are 10 reasons why you should invest in real estate. Number 1. Real estate has a predictable cash flow. Cash flow is the net spendable income derived from the investment after all operating expenses and mortgage payments have been made. A key benefit of real estate investing is its ability to generate cash flow. In many cases, cash flow only strengthens over time as you pay down your mortgage and build up your equity. A good real estate investment should provide you with 6% or greater cash flow. Number 2. Real estate appreciates in value. Real estate values tend to increase over time, and with a good investment, you can turn a profit when it's time to sell. Rents also tend to rise over time, which can lead to higher cash flow. Real estate investors make money through rental income, any profits generated by property-dependent business activity, and appreciation. Since 1968, appreciation levels for real estate have been 6% per year, including during the downturn in the economy beginning in 2007, according to the National Association of Realtors. Number 3. Real estate can be leveraged. The most important advantage of real estate investing is leverage. It is the use of borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment. In real estate transactions, leverage occurs when a mortgage is used to reduce the amount of investor capital required to purchase a property. Leverage is the use of various financial instruments or borrowed capital, for example, debt, to increase an investment's potential return. A 20% down payment on a mortgage, for example, gets you 100% of the house you want to buy. That's leverage. Because real estate is a tangible asset and one that can serve as collateral, financing is readily available. Once you have built up an equity position in an investment property, you can leverage that investment for cash in one of two ways: secure second loan against the increased equity or refinance the original loan amount, plus the increased equity. This frees up money to buy another investment property. Number 4. Real estate provides equity build-up. Most real estate is purchased with a small down payment, with the balance of the money being provided through debt financing from a lender. Over time, the principal amount of the mortgage is paid down, slowly at first, and then more rapidly toward the end of the amortization period, which means the time period it will take to repay a mortgage in full. As you pay down a property mortgage, you build equity, an asset that's part of your net worth. And as you build equity, you have the leverage to buy more properties and increase cash flow and wealth even more. Before we get down to more reason why you should invest in real estate, we will really appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Number 5. Real estate is tax deductible. Tax codes allows various deductions for the normal expenses incurred in owning real estate, such as operating expenses and costs, insurance, property taxes, and maintenance. If you use the money from a sale of one property to buy another property, you can defer your capital gains. This means you aren't taxed at all on that money because it went directly toward the purchase of another property. Make sure you report to the IRS that this is what you've done, or they'll send you a letter asking why you haven't paid taxes on a property sale. Number 6. Real estate is depreciable. Depreciation is a non-cash expense permitted by tax code that depreciates the value of your investment property over time. However, the value of your investment property actually appreciates. The depreciation deduction allows a real estate investor to generate a larger positive cash flow while reporting a lower income for tax purposes. This creates a higher return than you may initially realize. Number 7. Passive income source. Since you can predict cash flow, you can also figure out ways to maximize revenue or cut expenses in order to establish a passive income source that will last as long as you own the property. Set the rent for your property at an appropriate price and raise it responsibly to cover inflation. Try and always perform preventative maintenance so catastrophes and emergencies don't sneak up on you. Also, make sure you have the right insurance. Number 8. It's a good way to save for retirement. When real estate is purchased, the cash flow is lower and the principal reduction on the mortgage is less. Over time, the mortgage is paid down or paid off, and the cash flow increases. In some respects, it's a forced savings program, yielding a greater amount as time goes by, which is a perfect investment for retirement, as it increases in cash flow down the road. Number 9. Real estate has a high tangible asset value. Tangible assets are physical things, like property, computers, and equipment, that are worth money. Real estate, especially, will always have some kind of monetary value. Compare this to investing in stocks where, if the market crashes, it is possible that something you paid $500 for could suddenly be worth $0. With real estate, land and real property, your investment will always be worth something. Number 10. Real estate is improvable. One of the best things about real estate is that you can improve a property if you want, because real estate is a tangible asset made of wood, brick, concrete, and glass. You can improve the value of any property by adding amenities like a pool, or improve it with an updated kitchen or bath. You can then either rent it out or sell it for more than you paid for it. Since real estate is a tangible asset, any improvements you make to it will increase its value. Some things that bring the biggest return for your money are garage door replacements, kitchen remodels, and deck additions. This is our list for 10 reasons why you should invest in real estate. If there's any other reason we missed out, please comment down below. Until next time.